Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are with Pir Tariqat Mutakallim Islam Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman sahab Maddazilul Ali in Istanbul, Turkey. It is a great pleasure to be in the company of this Sheikh who is a great scholar and a great wali of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says in one of the Sahih Hadith, Inna al-ulama'a warathatul anbiya, or kama qala al-Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that indeed the ulama are the true inheritors of the anbiya, of the prophets. So to be in the company of a sheikh is a great pleasure and a great honor for anyone. The message of today's video is that we need to spend some time of our lives with shuyukh like Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Ilyas to sort our lives out and to rectify our souls, our character, so we can become better people and become more close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And listening to what they tell us and trying to follow their lifestyle and bring that into our own lives. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.